Warning: product manufacturer warranty will be void if the fixture is tampered with and/or not installed according to the manufacturer instructions.
Only install with the intended Class 2 power unit.
The PureView Center, installation and wiring instructions. Before you start, switch off the power. Step 1. Open the driver compartment. Step 2. Disconnect the wires from the fixture to the driver. Step 3. Pull the fixture wires out of the hole. Step 4. Unscrew the bottom bracket. Step 5. Unscrew the top bracket. Step 6. Remove the sticky tape protector from the back of the fixture. Step 7. Push the new fixture wires through the hole into the driver space. Step 8. Apply pressure to the fixture to make a good contact to the freezer frame. Step 9. Wire fixture to the driver.
Only install with the intended Class 2 power unit.
Step 10. Attach the driver cover and molding back onto the case. Step 11. Snap on the top fixture bracket. Step 12. Snap on the bottom fixture bracket. Turn the power back onto the fixture. This concludes the PureView Center, installation and wiring instructions.